Hi there, Gareth of Traffic and Automation here, and in this video I want to talk about why I cancelled my ClickFunnels account and why you should potentially think about doing the same. Now, whether you're going to flick on or not, I've created a full video rant on the entire subject. There'll be a link somewhere on this page. But ClickFunnels is no longer the best funnel builder out there, and they've done a lot of weird recent changes where they're focusing more heavily on the training as a business and less on the actual tool itself. So no longer is ClickFunnels actually the number one funnel builder. I'm going to explain why. I'm also going to tell you where I went to next. And I've been testing both these tools for a very long time, along with a number of other tools that are out there. And we have lots of free training inside our academy below that video if that's something you would like to know more about. But if you're using ClickFunnels or you're thinking about using ClickFunnels, then this video is going to be very, very important for you. And it could potentially save you a hell of a lot of money, a lot of time, and also potentially make you a lot more money, because there's a lot of features that ClickFunnels has been falling behind on, which can actually dramatically increase your sales. And I'm going to go into detail in that video explaining why. Yes, I'm going to rant a little bit. I'll put links below all the video for different resources as well to keep you in the loop. But it's seriously something you need to consider as a funnel builder, as a agency, as someone that is actually doing this for other people, doing it for yourself. And if you have any type of product that you are selling online using ClickFunnels or using other page builders, then you really need to watch this video. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Click the link somewhere on this page and I'll see you inside. Cheers.